Welcome back, Tech Newbies. My name is Don. Today we're gonna take a look at the Humbird Bone Conduction Speaker. Is this thing worth it or it's just hype? Let's find out. Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
Just to be clear, this video is not sponsored. I bought this unit with my own money. The package arrived bubble wrapped in this white pouch. The box has chromatic highlights that says Humbird speaker and the Duramobi logo. It also has this big plus sign or cross at the center. The bottom of the box shows the specs, which is in Chinese. To open the box, you need to slice through this sticker seal. After removing the cover, inside you have the tiny speaker that's made of aluminum. Construction-wise, it looks solid with minimal plastic parts. Lifting the tray, we find the manuals that no one ever reads. In this case, you really can't since it's in Chinese, plus the warranty card and other literature, all in Chinese. There's also this small box which contains some more goodies. Those goodies are the USB-C cable and a lanyard. But wait, there's more. There's also an extra double-sided tape and another base with tiny sections on it. Here are the complete contents of the package. If you like this type of content, help me out by subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Your support is very much appreciated. On the unit, you have a hole for the lanyard, the function key or play pause key, the built-in microphone, the power/mode button, the LED indicator, and the USB-C charging port. I have installed the base with tiny sections as this is the most reusable mounting option available in the package. To pair it, simply press and hold the power mode button for a few seconds until you hear a voice prompt in Chinese. Go onto your phone, enable the Bluetooth, and allow it to scan for available devices. Once detected, click on the Humbird and click pair to start the pairing process. During my tests, this speaker was able to pair with every device I tried to pair it with. To switch to FM mode, just click on the power mode button when the unit is turned on. In FM mode, you can press and hold the function key to scan for stations. A single press allows you to go to the next save station. For the sound test, I have paired the Humbird with my trusty Xiaomi Mi Max 3. We'll be using a tripod box, a biscuit container, this lifetime table, and the speaker box itself as conducting surfaces. This tiny speaker is quite loud for its size. Other than the Chinese voice prompt and manual, this is quite a good value. There are units that are in English. Maybe I was just unlucky to get this Chinese version. Would I recommend this? Yes and no. Yes, if you are looking for a tiny speaker that you can carry anywhere. Plus, there's the wow factor the first time you bring the unit out with your friends. There are also some novelty applications for this, like mounting on a helmet if you are cycling. Though I do not recommend it as you are putting yourself in danger by limiting your awareness of your surroundings. And no, if you want a reliable speaker. As this is a bone conduction speaker, it relies on a hollow surface to produce loud sounds, something which you might not have in every given situation. If that is the case, then honestly, you are better off at buying those other portable Bluetooth speakers like JBL Go and the like. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Keep safe. Peace.